Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can enable camera access to Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to put your likes and write comments. Let's get to our topic. And for this, you will need to first open the phone settings on your iPhone and then find the Messenger app. The easiest way to find any app is to swipe down a little bit. You'll get a search box, and you just type in the word Messenger. You get this Facebook Messenger application. You click on it. And then you need to find a section called Camera. As you can see, I have it deactivated at the moment. And in order for you to use the camera in the Facebook Messenger app, you just have to click on it, the button next to the word camera, to activate it. That's the way to do it. That's it though, folks. That's the only action you'll need to take. And after that, you'll be able to take photos in the Facebook Messenger app in peace. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to write your comments, put your likes, subscribe to our channel. See you later.